in the last video, we have completed this header section. Now it's time to move to the about us section. This about us section takes two columns and it is inside a container class. And here we have a block code. So let's get started doing this. So here about us section and a container class with a row, and this row is column LG6 on large device, and on small device it will take 100% of full width. So here we have this H2 tag, so copy and H2 paste it here, and we have a paragraph of Lauren, and now reload. Here we go. This paragraph text is something, we have this lead class, add a class of lead to this text and it will make this text stand out. Now reload. Here we go. Now again add a paragraph of Lauren like this, and now reload. Here second paragraph here. Now it is a block code here. Now search for block code in Bootstrap. And where it is, here we go. Copy this block code and paste it here like this, and indent it properly. Now reload. We have some padding here, so add a class padding top 5. Here we go. We have padding here, and we also have a padding at this here at the top. So add a padding of to the container, padding y-5. This padding y will give a padding top and bottom of this 5 like this. Now we have our block code. And it is our block code. Now we need to add this image. So copy image link, and in the next column add this image like this. Now reload. Now this image is overflowing. To make this image fit inside the container or inside, make it 100% width, give it a class of class image dash fluid. Now reload. Here we go. Now this image will fit inside this box. Anything that is left, now nothing is left here. So let's move to this contact us section. Here we have completed about us section. That's it for this video.